Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So after breaking up, Bitcoin and Ethereum consolidating and just stopped before our major resistance line. My name is Binance from CorionX and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purpose only. So always do your own research and also based on your financial conditions, make your decisions. Guys, smash those like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like helping out the YouTube algorithm. So let's get into our favorite bubble chart, and Bitcoin is slightly up and Ethereum is down 1.4%. Bitcoin just was rejected at 32,000, but this is not a clear rejection for now, and Ethereum at 2,000 US dollar. And we see like Luna and Luna Classic dumping, and other projects like Rune, Zcash, Ape, Hex that rallied yesterday, now consolidating, but we see Kava, hot waves still just running wide. So waves in the past 1 week made 55%, so what an insane gains. Also ADA has had a rally, but now ADA is consolidating. So ADA is up 8%, so not a bad from ADA. Here is Cardano. So let's go and check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 16, still in the extreme fear zone, and yesterday it went as low as 10. So this is one of the lowest levels that we have ever seen. Yes, that was 8. So, and if you are looking back, that we see that since November the fear is dominating the market and everybody is just freaking out and investors are too worried, and that could be a good buying opportunity, but take in consideration that the asset prices can fall further. But greediness will come back someday, and then we will see that also investors are pouring in and just buying assets. Next piece of news is our first news today. Bitcoin faces uphill battle despite BTC price gaining 35% from 23.8 thousand bottom. So 23.8 thousand was the bottom. Oh, giant sell wall appears at 33,500 as Bitcoin's rise, which suspend is surprising some, comes under close scrutiny. So this is a bull flag, guys, so not a bad, consolidating in a bull flag. Also that was a bull flag. Asks stuck up above 33,000 US dollar. Is this BTC movement real? I think not. The rise has been sold. Inflow and the spot market negative delta with the daily green candle of 4.5, also positive gamma. stopped the market, so market makers stopped the market. You can mitigate risk by waiting to confirm breakout or fake out. Fire charts shows where liquidity rests in order book. Monthly close Tuesday. Yes, so today is the monthly close, don't forget it. It's a little bit complicated, but this is a fire chart, and here are the levels that we should watch, where is in red. El Capo says that nice push from bulls yesterday. This week I have been mostly wrong because I thought we were going down and didn't expect these bonds. However, this move up is showing the same signs as the move that deviated about 46,000 US dollar. Bearish scenario still in play, and this is as he shows, the price is up, the volume is down, and it's not a good sign for a clear breakout. Whales bide their time. Whales institutions not yet deployed all their firepower on the market. These large entities continue to reduce activity, exposing their cautions with the global scenario. A close look at their moves can provide the true signal of a real reversal. And this is how whales are just diving deep, and these are the 10k BTC whales accumulating in these charts. So at the moment I don't see any evidence of a real buy. The dip by these participants he added. And whale map, what are the chances now? All bear markets touch realized price eventually, and also we touched the realized price, and this is quite important. So let's go and check our next news. That almost 4 billion US dollar Bitcoin whale enters massive BTC accumulation mode amid crypto bounce. Okay, interesting. The wallet has added 806 BTC over the past 7 days, as the price of Bitcoin now hovers above 41,000 US dollar, and he added 86 BTC on. So you can check here that he added almost from 24th of May to 27th several times, and also he spent 23.6 million in accumulating these 806 BTC. So he already owns almost 4 billion US dollar worth of BTC, and now he added 24 million US dollar worth of BTC to his stack. As Bitcoin continues treading water at 29,600, the amount of key whale addresses holding 100 to 1,000 BTC continues rising after the massive dumping from late January. We have historically seen a correlation between price and these tiers address quantity. Okay, so after the January dump, whales addresses increasing their holdings, and we have 184 more addresses compared to 3 months ago. So yes, whales still accumulating. Next piece of news is Bitcoin billionaire Michael Saylor says BTC is dominating gold, S&P and Nasdaq, proclaims he will buy Bitcoin top forever. Okay, let's quote. In a market full of chaos and sound of fury, people need a safe place to stand apart from the intervention of a government, an agency or a corporation. Bitcoin represents a fair, open, equitable network with a very simple promise to anyone who wants to join, which is what you own is yours, and no one is going to take it away from you, just the hackers. This is why you should be very careful and paying attention on security in crypto. In these markets right now, there is no simple place to hide. All indexes are bear market territory. Bonds don't represent a safe refuge because they are currency derivatives. Stocks have to grow their cash flows faster than the inflation rate. But if you zoom out 2 years since the beginning of the COVID crisis, the US money supply has expanded 36%, gold is up 7%, the S&P index is up 9%, the Nasdaq only up 19%, Bitcoin is up 229%. So if you can stomach the volatility, you take the long view, you have got a safe haven there. So this is the most important takeaway, and this is what since the beginning of the COVID crisis, so the past 3 years if I'm right. So whenever I have some spare cash, we buy more Bitcoin. We are taking a very long view toward this. The network is only getting better, adoption is improving, very constructive regulation is coming out of DC, and the Lightning Network is moving us closer to Satoshi's promise of letting everybody in the world trade with each other at the speed of light in a fair and equitable fashion. I will be buying at the top forever. The maximalists believe that Bitcoin is an instrument of economic improvement. I'm not trying to time the market. Okay, so he's buying forever. Next piece of news is Bitcoin nears 32,000 US dollar, Ethereum test 2,000 US dollar, ADA rallies, waves, doubles. So Bitcoin price, yes, ADA is the best performer among the top 20 crypto assets. Waves leads the top 100, and the total market cap is back to 1.3 billion US dollar, the 1.3 trillion US dollar, and so Ethereum was rejected. And yes, other altcoins market today. Cool. So this is just a market watch outlook. So next, important news, guys, about Ethereum 2.0. Ropsten Ethereum testnet ready for merge. First dress rehearsal. So the merge of Ethereum is closer than ever, as the Ropsten testnet is set to execute its own merge to give developers a look at what to expect for the real thing. So this is a real testnet, and they are doing this Ethereum longest lived proof of work testnet is moving to proof of stake. A new beacon chain has been launched today, and the merge is expected around June 8th on the network. So guys, 8th of June. I don't know if this Ropsten merge just on 8th of June or the real merge. Ropsten is also Ethereum's longest lived proof of work testnet, which launched in 2016. So guys, I cannot wait just see this update. I think it will give a big push for Ethereum. Next piece of news is Turkey drafting crypto bill to submit to parliament in coming weeks, report says. So guys, we know that Turkey's prime minister visited the president of El Salvador, and they discussed about crypto. The bill may also impose tax on some crypto transactions. Yeah, maybe new Turkish crypto regulation underway. So we'll see. I think it will be some way supporting, because also they are realizing that they need Bitcoin and crypto. Bitcoin stands strong above 41,200, is 35,000 US dollar the next target for BTC price. I don't think so, because 32,000 is a next major resistance. Bitcoin longs achieved the first target of achieving levels above 32,000 US dollar. No doubt it was rejected, but did not fail into a bearish well. Considering the pace of the recovery, the next target could be visualized somewhere close to 35,000 US dollar if the bulls maintain the positions. Yes, but they should maintain it. It's not so easy. Okay, so guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow at MIKLOS on Twitter, and also follow at Corion platform on Twitter, and also you should follow at laserpunk_gods. This is our incubated NFT launchpad projects, and we are working on it very hard, and I think it will be really huge. So guys, that was the news yesterday that Shiba Inu founder Ryoshi left the Shiba project. He deleted all his social media accounts, Twitter and blog, and then he left the project. So this is good or bad, I don't know, but if we are looking back, that's happened with Litecoin. Then Charlie, what the name? Charlie left Litecoin. So I think Shiba Inu has so many applications, use cases, community, developers. There is a lot of support, so I think it will alive. Maybe that there will be some pump. And let's check this out from Michael.
So
Saylor on Fox News.
Are we going to see that?
I will buying the top forever.
Well, you
so
know,
this is what you should definitely be aware and give a like on to this. Billionaire Bill Miller betting on Bitcoin. Also give a like and share.
Would Amazon be?
That's okay. There is a sound.
It would be about 40 to 50%. I guess it's come down a lot. So is Bitcoin. So both of them were a lot more than they currently are, because both of them are, Amazon's down 30% or so from the peak, or maybe more, and Bitcoin's
okay, so
more than half from the peak.
And what percentage of your portfolio would be Bitcoin now?
About the same as Amazon, about the same dollar amount.
So you told me at one point that you had something like 96.
Okay, so he's holding Bitcoins, the same amount of Amazon and US dollar cash, and this is almost maybe nearly half of his total portfolio in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin network computes more hashes than supercomputers. This is the chart. The top 500 supercomputers computing power, and Bitcoin's network computing power much higher. Give a like and share. Whales and institutions still have gunpowder to buy Bitcoin. Let's see when the fireworks will be launched. And this is this whale map that we already checked. Bitcoin's Lightning Network gains adoption while bears fighting to push the price down. BTC is healthier than ever. And just watch this. Public network capacity is currently at around 4,000 BTC. So you see the locked up BTC is increasing on Lightning Network. Give a like and share. Waiting for a clear direction can save you a ton of Bitcoin. Be aware of the fake outs and breakouts, and this heat map can help you a lot. And also, should Bitcoin go down to meet 30,000 to trigger this mega bullish signal? That's the question we already talked about yesterday. So guys, let's go and check if we have something from Laser Pangots. We will have a meeting. Yes, tomorrow we will have a meeting. So let's come and see what kind of use cases are we working on, and let's share this. Cool. So let's go and check out our farms. If you are holding ERC20 version CorionX, go to Uniswap. If you are holding Binance Smart Chain version CorionX, go to PancakeSwap. Provide some liquidity and lock up your LPs on our farms, and you can earn juicy APRs up to 330% here. So guys, let's go and join our Telegram channel. You find here some news and some updates about our progress, and also let's go and check out these charts. So Bitcoin just arrived in this resistance zone. Let's go to the 4-hourly. So Bitcoin went up with let's switch to 1-hourly. Bitcoin went up with this bull flag, and also there was a sign that it wants to break this bull flag, but it failed to break, and now also break, almost reached the price target, and now dropping back. But this is a kind of retest of these previous levels, so I'm still confident as long as Bitcoin is holding 31,000. I still confident that it can make another try to push up here and break up. Bitcoin longs still increasing. Bitcoin shorts are decreasing. What about Bitcoin dominance? Still high. It's breaking up, so altcoins will just follow because Bitcoin is the first mover now. Yeah, let's take a look on Ethereum. So Ethereum just failed to break out here, or maybe this is a healthy retest of the breakout. Let's go and check our hourly. So guys, this is a healthy retest of the breakout, so I will not close any Ethereum long position yet, waiting that opened here, so just waiting for the breakout. Let's go and check what ADA did today. That was an insane movement for ADA, ADA broke up and just made these highs, almost 45%, and now correcting, but let's follow this correction. If this is a bull flag, then I would make the case, then if it wants to break out, then maybe it's a good trade. So guys, this is for today. Be sure to follow to visit our farms, provide some liquidity, and also if you are providing liquidity, that you will get higher chance to get a whitelist place in the Laser Pangans NFT release. And also follow us on Twitter and join our Telegram group. Thank you for smashing those likes. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.